Why real estate videos fail. Don't get me started because I think most of them, well, to be honest, I think they suck. And that's no offense to the teams making them or even the agents paying for them. I just don't think they understand the digital ecosystem enough to make the changes that they need to make. So your typical real estate video, you know the ones, a drone shot, a European car driving down the street, then a low close-up of the person stepping out of the car. If it's a guy, it's leather slip-ons, no socks, killer heels for the female agents. And then the big reveal, welcome to 179 Wombat Drive. Like that is every real estate video in my feed. And they do a good job of showing off the property. There's no doubt about that. My point is that that type of video is irrelevant to 99.9% of people being served it in their newsfeed. And we know what happens if your content is irrelevant. We simply skip past it. We don't engage, and then Facebook or whatever platform deems it bad and hides it away. After a few tries, real estate bosses throw their hands in the air and think it's all too hard. And that's fair enough. Why would you keep putting time and energy into something that doesn't work? You wouldn't. Einstein describes it as insanity to do that. Here's the problem. The way I see it is that not all content is created equal. Those home tour videos are only interesting to people looking for that type of home in that area at that moment. So to use it at the top of your funnel, to post it like companies pay to post ads on TV is never going to work. Those videos don't belong at the top of your funnel. Those videos need to be targeted based on data. Data that identifies and differentiates your audience. Family home buyers versus first home buyers. And you gather that kind of information when you first draw your viewers in using true top of funnel content. Hey, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate anyone who watches all the way to the end of one of my videos. This is the part where I do the YouTube thing. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, please consider leaving it a like below so that it feeds the algorithm and spreads these kinds of videos to people who are like-minded like yourself and wanting to learn more in this space. If you want to learn more about this type of content, the other step you need to take is to subscribe with the notifications bell on so the next time I do upload a video, you get told about it and you don't miss out. Now, if you're interested in storytelling, personality-driven marketing, or even viral content, the next suggestion I have for you is to pick yourself up a copy of this book. It took me about 6 years of research to compact everything that I know into 220 pages. It's got exercises and free downloads and really is a great starting point for anyone wanting to set their voice and market themselves using video. It's available in the US, the UK, Australia, South Africa, Europe, and even New Zealand through all good bookstores. And of course, you can pick it up online via Amazon and Booktopia. It's called Like, Comment, Share, Buy. There's a link to the Amazon site down below. All I can say is it's a great read for anyone who's a beginner in this space. And I'm really proud of it. So if you want to help me out even, buy this book, give it as a gift, whatever you want to do. It's there. Anyway, that's all from me. Catch you on the next one. Peace.